Hello and welcome back. This is Walid. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a website on Cloudflare. Without further delay, let's get started. As you can see, I am adding my domain on Cloudflare. So simply I add the domain, then continue. This is my website. And if I scroll down or if I click any post, so everything working perfectly. Okay. If I go back to here, so the website is perfectly working. So we are using free plan, that's why I'm click free plan, then continue. Okay, now we need to change the DNS name server. Click on continue, then need to change the DNS name server. So copy this name server. I'm using Namecheap for my domain, so we need to set up the DNS name server. So our first name server I just copy, just simply paste here, and second name server copy and paste here, then simply update it. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes. They are showing 45 hours, but it will take within maximum 30 minutes. Okay, if I check the website, everything is fine. And if I check the name server, it's showing it's take time actually, but it will update maximum 30 to 30 minutes or 60 minutes. Continue. Wow, great news, our domain connected with Cloudflare. Now if I check our website, it's a error, there is a problem is loading the website. So if you get these issues, then we have to go back to the DNS, and here is the DNS record. First delete all DNS. Let's delete. Okay, perfect. And if I go back to my Hostinger, because I'm hosted this website on Hostinger, so here is the showing actually this domain is not connected with our Hostinger name server. That's why this is the error. If I check with incognito mode, it's the same issues. The website is error. For fixing these issues, now we need to add some records. If I click here, first we need to add a record. A record name will be webvic.com. Then we need to add our IP address. So if I go to the hosting plan, I'm adding Hostinger. That's why I'm getting this IP on Hostinger, hosting plan and plan details. Okay. If you were using GoDaddy or Namecheap or other hosting platform, you will get this IP. Okay, so as you can see, here is my website IP. Just copy and paste here, then simply save it. Okay, now let's add another IP. It should be for FTP. Then add this one, then save changes. Perfect. Now we need to add DNS name server, like Hostinger name server. So it's for, we need to add NS record. If I scroll down, here is the NS record. And Hostinger name server, if I search on Hostinger name server, then I will get the Hostinger name server. Drop down, here is the two Hostinger name server. If you use GoDaddy hosting, okay, a GoDaddy name server, you will get this on your GoDaddy account. Okay, under the domain. Anyway, we need to change the name server. Copy, and here is the name server, and we need to add a domain name webvic.com. Then simply change it. We need to add another name server, so I'm adding another name server scroll down, here is the NS record, and here should be our domain name, and this one is the NS record 2. Simply save and changes. Now we need to add a CNAME record. So here is the CNAME record. You can add www. You can like this one, @ or www, whatever you want. Then simply target it. We need to add our domain here. Then save. Now everything is fine. One more thing, if you are using Hostinger like email, like Titan email, then we need to add the Titan MX record. Okay, if I copy, then add record, it should be MX actually. Sorry, MX1 and @ I think @ yeah, @ sorry. Okay, you can add anything, no problem. Let's add another one, MX @ Titan 2 36. 7 changes. So everything is fine. Let's check the website. If I reload the website, it's still showing error. Let's copy and check the incognito mode. Okay, we need to wait a little bit, then it will fix. Now I'm checking with like 20 minutes later. Let's reload the website. Let's see, it's still showing error. If I copy and check with incognito mode again, see, the website is working perfectly now. So we can fix this issue by changing this DNS. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Comment below if you have any issues or any further assistance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.